Think your out-of-pocket health expenses are fully tax-deductible? Not so fast. Myth: every dollar I spend on health insurance reduces my taxes. Reality: you only get a deduction if you itemize and your medical expenses exceed 7.5% of your AGI. Let's break it down. 1. If you take the standard deduction, you get zero benefit. Even if you itemize, only the portion of medical expenses above 7.5% of your AGI is deductible. Let's say you're a taxpayer with AGI of $100,000 and medical expenses of $10,000. Deductible amount is $10,000 minus $7,500, which is $2,500, and only if you itemize. And this rule isn't changing in 2025. Congress made the 7.5 threshold permanent, so unless the law changes, this is how it works. Before assuming you're getting a tax break, check if you itemize and cross that against the 7.5 threshold. Otherwise, you might not be saving anything. So follow more for tax tips and be prepared next tax season.